Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to do a love reading for Libra. Let's see what's happening for Libra in the month of November. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. If you want personal readings, you can reach out to me on my WhatsApp. I have mentioned my WhatsApp number in the description below. So yeah, let's start. This is a general reading. Please remember that it might not resonate with everyone out there. Yeah, let's see what's happening for Libra in their love life, especially in the month of November. What's happening for Libra in the month of November in their love life? What's happening for Libra in the month of November in their love life? First is the Knight of Wands. This is Aries, Leo, Sag energy. What more do we have? Libra in the month of November. The next we have is the Queen of Wands. The Empress, Taurus energy. Five of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. It might be your energy too. Next is the Two of Pentacles in reverse, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. The Death, Scorpion energy. Okay. Libra, what's happening here is someone is planning to take action. Someone is wanting to communicate. Someone wants to bring across something. Like they want to either clarify something or they want to grab your attention. I don't know what's this about, but they are especially wanting to take action. Okay. Someone here is very passionate about you. Someone here wants just to communicate to you, want to bring across their thoughts and their feelings towards you. Okay. Maybe you are too waiting for someone to come back, or either you're waiting for someone's communication, Libra. I don't know what's this about. Either you are expecting someone to communicate or come back to you. But there is a lot of passion. There is a lot of attraction. And this person wants to get back to you because they don't want to lose you. They have their eyes set on you. They just want to grab that opportunity and come back to you. Maybe waiting for a right time. Okay, this might be someone new too. Okay, Libra. Or you are wanting a brand new relationship in your life. You are on a lookout for someone new. Especially in the month of November, Libra, you will be feeling a lot more confident, beautiful. You will take care of yourself. Many of you will just take a lot more care about how you look, what you wear. Maybe you will indulge into buying something for you, or just taking care of yourself, and that will make you more and more attractive. You are looking attractive to many of you. You're grabbing many people's attention. Yeah. So I think some of you are waiting for an old person to come back, for them to reach out to you, for them to communicate to you, and many of you are on a lookout for a new person, for a new relationship. Yeah. A lot of changes and shift of energy is happening for you, Libra. Coming out of something that was not serving well, that was not good for you, that was not, it was not the right relationship or situationship for you, and you're coming out of that. Okay. There is a shift of energies, a new brand, fresh energy I'm feeling here. Also with this Two of Pentacles in reverse, I think someone is done switching from one person to another, or maybe they have chosen what they want, they have decided what they want. Maybe your person was juggling to people and now they know what to do. Maybe there were two situations they were not being able to put their hand onto one situation, and now they will have that clarity of thoughts where they can choose what they want. And maybe it is you, not maybe, but definitely for many of you this is you. They have chosen you. With this Five of Swords, what I feel here is maybe in past you felt as if you are losing something or hold on something, and now your person is feeling the same way. They are feeling as if they will lose you. If they will take a bit more time, they will just lose you. They will not have you in their life, and that just scares them. They don't want to lose you at any cost. Okay, let's clarify some cards. What is this Knight of Wands about, please? Please tell me more about this Knight of Wands. Please tell me more about this Knight of Wands here. Okay, Justice in reverse. This is your card. This is a Libra card. I think when this Justice is coming reverse to clarify the Knight of Wands, I think things are not yet over. They don't see that justice is being served in the situation. They think something is not right here. They want to make things right with you. Okay. So yeah, Queen of Wands. What is this Queen of Wands? Please tell me more about this Queen of Wands. Eight of Cups. Eight of Cups clarifying the Queen of Wands. So with this Eight of Cups, I feel as if you are frustrated with the whole situation. You want to move out. You don't want to indulge into it anymore, into a past situation. Okay, it seems as if you are tired of something. You just don't want to deal with it again. What is this Empress about? Please tell me more about this Empress energy. The Chariot. I told you, you're looking forward now. You want to move forward, and that is exactly what your person doesn't want you to. They want you to be there, okay, for them. You want movement, and now this person wants to come back. Five of Swords. Tell me more about this Five of Swords. King of Swords in reverse and the Temperance in reverse. So this is Sagittarian energy, and this is Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy, clarifying the Five of Swords. So I think definitely someone is putting off their swords now. They don't want to fight anymore. They just want to balance things out. Okay, maybe they want to bring up the old situation. They don't want to cry about what has happened. They are looking forward to mend things now. What is this Two of Pentacles in reverse? Six of Pentacles and Princess of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy and Earth energy, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So now they know what they want. Okay, they want victory with you. They want to grow old with you. And with this Princess of Swords, they have cut off everything that was coming in between. They are not juggling anymore. They are confident that they want you. That what is this Death about? Please clarify this Death here. See, I told you the healing part is also over. It's dead and gone. They have healed completely and wanting to reconnect back to you. So this is beautiful. Okay, let's see from Oracle what do we have for you. What do we have for you from Oracle for Libra? Okay, the Message in a Bottle. So this is your advice for the month of November. I think you are about to receive some information that is really necessary for you. Maybe it is a call or a text, definitely. So you're going to receive communication in the month of November. It is beautiful. Get ready for connecting back to someone whom you want. Okay, so yeah, this is what it is. So if you like the reading, Libra, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. See you in next video.